Practice backing out of a parking space, then driving to the left. Put the right signal on, place your gear selector to reverse, keep the wheel straight and back the car out while checking all around. And when the dash is at the end of the line, the parking space, then you start turning to the right, all the way to the right, and just keep checking. You need to back up until you have sufficient room out front to leave. And now we have, so we stop. Place the gear selector to drive, turn the wheel to the right, to the left, sorry, and then you look around, and if it's safe, then you'll be on your way. And that's how you back out of a parking space going to the left.